So if you guys hadn't figured it out yet, we're in Niagara Falls.
And this is pretty cool. You have to come to Niagara Falls
Awesome.
if you haven't already.
Awesome.
So here we are at the end of 2025. What an amazing journey this has been. We've got some amazing followers, and we are super grateful for each and every one of you. And we hope that you stick with us through 2026. So in this video, we're going to do what?
We're going to show you the ups and downs of the last year. Where have we been this last year? Everywhere.
Everywhere.
This year we went right at about 16,000 miles from starting January of last year. So it's almost been exactly a year that we've been on the road full time, and a lot of you guys have been with us along the way. Some of you guys might just be joining us. It doesn't matter. Take a look at the video, see some of the clips. You might like it.
Let us know in the comments if you've been to these places that we're going to show you where we went.
Or just drop a comment and
Or
say
just
hey.
drop a comment, yeah, and say hey.